to make poster using Poster Maker on PicsArt. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can make poster using Poster Maker on PicsArt. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type PicsArt.com and press enter. You will reach to the official website of the PicsArt. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. On this homepage, you'll find a magnifying glass resembling search icon at the top right corner, just ahead of your profile picture. Click on it. You will be directed to this page where you can see various designing tools at the top bar. Here, hover your cursor to the design option and below you will see different maker templates. From here, find Poster Maker and click on it, which is just below Business Card Maker under Marketing section. Once you click on it, you will be directed to a new page where you can see Design a Poster option at the bottom left. On it to enter the editing space. You have reached the editing space. The left sidebar, you can see various templates that you can use to make your poster. Just click on it and it will be displayed on your canvas. Now you can further customize it as per your preference. At the right side, you'll find different elements that are included in this template. By simply clicking on them, you can edit them. Also, you can use this rewrite with AI feature to generate a new text for yourself. So in this way, you can make poster using Poster Maker on PicsArt. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you next video. Stay connected.